Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, I will show you how as a site admin you can set up the recommended activities to appear in the activity chooser pop-up. In Moodle terminology, whenever you want to add a new activity or resource, you need to click on the add an activity or resource button, which will show you a pop-up to add any different type of activities and resources available on the Moodle site. Now in this video I will show you how you can set up a few activities as the recommended activities so that the teachers can find it easier and faster to add new activities in their own courses. So in order to do that, you need to make sure that you are logged into the Moodle site as a site admin, and once you are logged in, then all you need to do is go to the site admin area. And under the site admin, you need to navigate to the courses tab, and under this courses tab you need to scroll down a bit until you see this activity chooser section. Now it comes with two different items, so we'll go with both of them one by one. So first I will go to this activity chooser settings. Here you can select in what order the activities are displayed in the pop-up menu. By default, the activities are added as the start, then all activities, then activities separately, then resources, and then the recommended ones. But let me say that if you would like to just show start, all, and recommended, then you can select this one, or you can just choose start, separate activities, separate resources, and then the recommended ones. But for this demo I will just choose this start, all, and recommended. Kindly note the description below that if a user has not marked star for any activity, then this starred tab will not be shown. So for us, if I will choose this setting, then it will show only the two tabs, all and the recommended one. And I will click the save changes button here. Now I need to go back to the second option, and I will go to this recommended activities section. Now here you will see all the activities listed on your Moodle site, and you can select this checkbox to add them to the recommended panel. So let me say that I would like to add this assignment as well as the database and the file resource as the recommended activities. So all you need to do is just check these boxes and it will automatically save the page. Now I will just show you that new pop-up window by going to any course, and I will turn on the editing mode and go to this course. Now I will go to this add an activity or resource button, and as you can see that we have the all activities and resources tab here, and then under the recommended section we have the three items which we have selected in the recommended activity options just now. So this is how you can make the life of your teachers easier so that they can find out the recommended activities and resources much faster and easier to navigate in the whole bunch of activities like this. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. And I really appreciate that you watched till this point. Thank you very much for watching.